Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to our 3-minute tutorial video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you kung paano nyo matatransfer ang inyong seller balance going to your ShopeePay if you would like to buy something in Shopee using the ShopeePay. So una sa lahat, log in to your Shopee account and then click the ShopeePay icon. This one. And then, as you can see, yung balance ko is 128 pesos. So, kailangan nating mag-top up. So, click nyo lang yung top up icon. Ayan. And then, you need to select kung magkano ba yung gusto nyong i-transfer na pera from your seller balance going to ShopeePay. So, let's say, for example, 100 pesos. And then, i-click natin dito sa payment. Kailangan nakaselect dyan seller balance. Kasi merong different payment method where you can top up the ShopeePay. So, for this scenario, kailangan seller balance and click confirm. Kapag okay na, click nyo lang yung pay now. Ayan. So, papakita dyan kung magkano yung ita-transfer nyo. And then, click nyo again yung pay. And then, enter your ShopeePay PIN para mag-proceed ang inyong transaction. So, click confirm once okay na. And then, ayan, processing. Ayan, so as you can see, na-transfer na natin yung 100 pesos sa ating ShopeePay from the seller balance. So, let's go back. So, 228 pesos na ang aking balance sa ShopeePay. Ibig sabihin, successful yung ating top up. So, ganun lang kabilis mag-transfer ng seller balance going to ShopeePay. I hope this helps and thank you for watching. Bye!